everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a great weekend and today is starting out well for you. I just wanted to share with you today these cute little envelopes and gift tags that I made for kids' birthday parties. They're really cute. I was trying to think about what I felt like crafting today. I was kind of in the crafting mood and I had some Christmas things on my mind, but I was like, no, it's too early to do that. So I was looking through my stickers and I found this cute sticker sheet that I picked up, I guess, at the beginning of summer, I think, at the dollar store. And it had just cute little animals and birthday things on there. And as you can see, I've already used the animals and some of the things that I'll show you on the tags. But I was able to make 3 really cute gift tags from one sheet of stickers here, and there's still plenty of things left over. So I'll show you what I've done. So I used my envelope punch board and made these cute little envelopes. And I used, let's see, it was 5.5 by 5.5 paper, and just followed the card size for 3 by 3. And it just made these cute little envelopes, and I left the top open. And I didn't decorate the back, but you could do that if you wanted to. But so you just follow the envelope directions and create that, and then I just kind of added some cute little decorations on there. I created some tags, and I wanted to keep them kind of fun and playful for a kid's birthday gift tags. I stamped on there "Just for you," and I used, this is a cute little deer on there in pink. And he's got a cupcake on his back, or on her back, I should say, and some little candy kind of decorations there. And so the tag size is I did 2.5 by 4.25 for these, and I used the envelope punch board to kind of decorate the corners here, and then I rounded these corners on the bottom. I also used my Crop-A-Dile and added a little eyelet there to add the hanging string on it. So yeah, so that turned out really cute. So that's the first one. And then here's a second one I did. A little envelope. It's got some little lights on there, some party hats, some little lollipops. And then this one, I added these cute little blue pom-poms. I thought they were really sweet. And it's a sweet little squirrel, and he's holding some party balloons. I added a little scallop punch out that I did there, and a little cupcake that I put up on the 3D dots. Yeah, I thought it turned out really cute. And I didn't decorate the backs, but that's up to you if you wanted to take it a little further and do that. And then on this one, the envelope here is kind of blinged up with some candy and a little donut and strawberry up there. I stamped this cute little banner, flag banner on there with my stamps. Added a couple more stickers down there. And then this one has a cute little giraffe with a big red party balloon. The ice cream cone that I popped up on with 3D dots on there. And I added the eyelet again on here. And one thing that I was kind of playing around with while I was using my Crop-A-Dile tool to add these, I found that I could add these kind of big sequin things on there for some extra bling. And this one I added it on the front and the back that you can see there. And I'll show you what they are here. This is kind of this mix that I have, and I found these kind of bigger pieces in here that would work really good to just kind of give a little extra bling, you know, on your, I could have done it on here too, but I didn't think of it till after. But I did do it on a couple of gift tags here, that just to show you. So it's the blue sparkle on there and gold sparkle, and they can kind of move a little bit. But you just use your Crop-A-Dile and put it on with a little eyelet, and then add your hanging tag, and you can decorate them as you like. So I thought that was pretty fun. And yeah, they're really simple to do, but you know, if you've got little kids parties to go to, or some of them might even work for a little baby shower. This one's pretty cute for a baby shower, I think, a little girl's. So that might give you some ideas. So I hope you feel inspired, and happy crafting. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.